హాయ్ వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ మాస్టర్ ఆఫ్ సైన్స్. ఈ ఛానల్ ద్వారా 8th, 9th అండ్ 10th క్లాసెస్ సంబంధించిన ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అన్నింటినీ కూడా వీడియోస్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ప్రతి చాప్టర్ని కొన్ని పార్ట్స్గా చేసి వీడియోస్ చేస్తాను. అండ్ చివరి పార్ట్లో ఆ చాప్టర్కి సంబంధించిన నోట్స్ని కూడా పీడిఎఫ్ లింక్ని డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉంచడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం 10th క్లాస్ ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్లో ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ అయినటువంటి హీట్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఈ చాప్టర్లో మనం హీట్, టెంపరేచరు, థర్మల్ ఈక్విలిబ్రియం, all concepts are discussed in this concept. So before going to start the class, we can discuss some examples. That examples are, you can take a one iron piece and wood piece. These two objects are kept in a fridge. After some time, we can remove from the fridge. So we can touch the objects, we will get the feeling of coldness. You don't touch the objects, we didn't get any feeling also. So what happens, while touching only you are feeling the coldness, we don't touch the objects, we didn't get any feeling. So definitely మనం దాన్ని టచ్ చేసేటప్పుడు సంథింగ్ ఈజ్ డన్, దట్ ఈస్ హీట్ ఈజ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ one body to another body, that is like our body to cold bodies. So similarly we can touch the hot bodies, otherwise you can bring your fingers to flame, candle flame, like that. At the time also you are getting a feeling of hotness. So in this case what happens, heat is transferred from hot body to our bodies. So in these two cases are there. One case is we can touch the cold bodies, we can get a feeling of coldness, and we can touch the hot bodies, we can get the feeling of hotness. So in these two cases heat is transferred from one body to another body. So let us discuss the two cases. The first case is cold body, and the second case is hot bodies. While touching the cold body, what happens, our body to cold body heat is transfers. While touching the hot body, what happens, hot body to our body heat is transfers. So in these two cases heat is transferred from here, the our body is nothing but high temperature, cold body is low temperature. So high temperature to low temperature heat is transferred. Similarly here also hot body means high temperature and our body means is at low temperature. So here also high temperature to low temperature, here also high temperature to low temperature. In case 1 as well as case 2, in these two cases also heat is transferred from high temperature to low temperature only. So from these examples we can define the heat as heat is a form of energy in transit that flows from body at high temperature to body at low temperature. So after that we can discuss the units of heat. Units of heat. So units of heat. So we have a SI unit, CGS unit. SI unit of heat is joule. It is known as J. And CGS unit of is calorie. That is cal. So units of heat is SI unit is joule and CGS unit is calorie. ఆల్రెడీ మనం ప్రీవియస్ క్లాసెస్లో జౌల్ గురించి మనకు ఐడియా ఉంటుంది, బట్ ఇక్కడ సిజిఎస్ యూనిట్గా వచ్చిన ఈ కెలోరీ అనే దాని గురించి ఖచ్చితంగా మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం అయితే ఉంది. సో కెలోరీ గురించి కూడా మనం ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం. Calorie is the generally it is a CGS unit of heat. We know that we already discussed the CGS unit of heat is calorie and SI unit is joule. We are going to discussing the concept is calorie. Calorie means the definition of calorie is the amount of heat required to the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water, 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade is called calorie. So here you can discuss the 1 gram of water, 1 gram of water raised by 1 degree centigrade. This is the main concept. That means you have to take some water that is at 1 gram. This 1 gram of water temperature is raised by 1 degree centigrade only. For example, this water temperature is 27 degrees centigrade. We are giving some heat. So after giving the heat, the temperature rises to 28 degrees centigrade. So what happens? 27 to 28 degrees centigrade. That means only 1 degree centigrade of heat is rises. At that time you are giving some heat, that is called as a calorie. That means 1 gram of water raised by 1 degree centigrade. At that time you are giving some amount of heat. That amount of heat is called as a calorie. So finally, once again, final definition of calorie is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade is called as calorie. So in this here also 1 cal is equal to 4.186 joules. So this is the relation about the joules and calories also. 1 cal is equal to 4.186 joules. Next concept, temperature. Temperature is nothing but the degree of hotness or degree of coldness of a body is called as temperature. That means ఏదైనా బాడీ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు అది ఎంత హాట్గా ఉంది లేదా ఎంత చల్లగా ఉంది అని తెలుపడానికి మనం టెంపరేచర్ అని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో టెంపరేచర్ అనేది డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ హాట్నెస్ ఆర్ కోల్డ్నెస్ ఆఫ్ ఏ బాడీ. Degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called temperature. So next, units of temperature. Units of temperature, SI unit. SI unit is Kelvin. It's denoted by capital K. So units of temperature, SI unit is Kelvin. Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature. So Kelvin అనేది ఒక యూనిట్ అయితే డిగ్రీ సెల్సియస్ ఆర్ డిగ్రీ ఫారెన్హీట్ ఆర్ ద అదర్ యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ temperature. So after the temperature, we discussing the concept is absolute temperature. Then what is absolute temperature? Temperature is nothing but you know that degree of hotness or coldness of a body. But what is absolute temperature? Absolute temperature is nothing but the temperature measured on the Kelvin scale is called as a absolute temperature. అంటే టెంపరేచర్ అనేదాన్ని కెల్విన్ స్కేల్లో మెజర్ చేసినట్లయితే ఆ టెంపరేచర్ని ఏమంటారంటే అబ్సల్యూట్ టెంపరేచర్. సో అబ్సల్యూట్ టెంపరేచర్ is nothing but temperature measured on the Kelvin scale. So absolute temperature measured on Kelvin scale is called absolute temperature. It's nothing but the temperature is a 273 kelvins. It's an absolute temperature. 303 kelvins. It is an absolute temperature. Like that temperature is measured on the Kelvin, definitely that is called as a absolute temperature. So after that, how to convert the one system of unit to another system, that is degree Celsius to Kelvin or Kelvin to degree Celsius, that is conversion of temperatures. So in this concept of conversion of temperatures, we can convert the degree Celsius to Kelvin, the first case 1, and the case 2 Kelvin to degree Celsius. So conversion of temperatures also there, degree Celsius to Kelvin, otherwise Kelvin to degree Celsius. So we can convert easily. We remember only one formula. That formula is temperature in Kelvin is equal to 273 plus temperature in degree Celsius. This is the formula we can remember, means definitely we can convert the one unit of temperature to another unit. So let us explain some examples also. That is, our question is convert 20 degrees centigrade into Kelvin. 20 degrees centigrade into Kelvin. So we know the formula, temperature in Kelvin. Temperature in Kelvin is equal to 273 plus temperature in degree Celsius is 20. So 20 degrees. So we'll get a 293. So this 293 is in Kelvin temperature. So 293 Kelvin. This is the convert 20 degrees centigrade to Kelvin. And one more question, 283 Kelvins converted into degree Celsius. So ఇప్పుడైతే మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చాడంటే 283 కెల్విన్స్ని డిగ్రీ సెల్సియస్లోకి మార్చమన్నాడు. సో ఫర్ దిస్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ ఫార్ములా. ద ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ టెంపరేచర్ ఇన్ కెల్విన్ is equal to 273 plus degree Celsius. So already temperature in Kelvin is 283 K. That is 283 Kelvin is equal to 273 plus degree Celsius. So 283 minus 273 is equal to degree Celsius. So 283 minus 273 is nothing but 10. It is in degree Celsius. So 10 degree Celsius is the answer. So simply you are using the formula temperature in Kelvin is equal to 273 plus temperature in degree Celsius. By using this formula, you can simply convert degree Celsius to Kelvin as well as Kelvin to degree Celsius.